When I seen enough ugly dudes with beautiful women, I was like, why can't that be me? Like,
just arrived in LA, left Denver in the cold. The weather is much better here. It's fucking gorgeous. I'm about to film 4 or 5 people in LA. The full episodes are still gonna come every Sunday, but I wanted to show you a little bit of highlights and behind the scenes, so let's get started.
Kyle, you ready? Let's go.
Kyle, the great return, 8 months later.
So my name's Curtis, I'm 42.
Today I'm with Ruben. The first time there's a Ruben on the show.
I'm 27 years old. My name's Ankit.
My name is David.
I'm 27 years old.
I'm a 28-year-old student. I'm currently in school for physical therapy.
I'm a fire inspector.
Enjoying this nice BLT here.
What are you doing in LA?
Just having fun, chilling with you, soaking up the sun, you know.
People stand in the darkness.
Yeah, I've been married twice.
Okay.
Let's see, that's a total of...
Hello to the...
Yeah, no, I know.
What has happened since last time
Yeah, it's been
people
great.
saw you?
Yeah, I moved from Charlotte to San Francisco.
Look, I'm balding. I'm Indian. I'm brown. There's no excuses, guys. If you really want to change something in your life, it's all in your belief system, so it's up to you. Don't let me outplay you.
Basically, if I could change one thing about my life, it would be being able to be comfortable talking to anybody that I wanted.
Came a long way. Been meeting new women pretty much every day. You know, just stepping out of my comfort zone.
It really is about, like, radical self-expression, right? Like, I definitely feel myself at times still constraining myself.
I'm guilty of being the tomorrow guy, so tomorrow I'm going to do it. Then tomorrow comes and I say, oh, you know what? It's 5 o'clock, it's late. Even though it's not late, I'm going to do it the next day.
I tell myself, there'll always be another. There'll be someone more attractive, someone more worthwhile. I'm not missing much by not going to this person because she's just a random stranger.
I got really nervous all of a sudden, and I think it's because as soon as I got there, I was like, she's way out of my league.
Not even just in the context of dating. You know, sometimes I'll see a guy reading a book and I'm like, oh, I should talk to him. No, I don't want to bother him.
It's nice to see you again and meet more people and maybe, show a little progression.
I'm actually married.
Okay, well, yeah, have a good day.
I'm actually gay, so...
You're gay? I don't know how much progress. It doesn't seem like I made much progress.
No, I have friends I'm gonna meet.
Seems like you went backwards.
Hello.
Hi again. What's your name?
Excuse me? You're really pretty.
I'm sorry to bother you.
Yeah.
I was walking with my buddy and you just caught my attention.
Thank you.
And I just want to say hi. How are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Good. What's your tat? Oh, it's not a tat. It's like a little...
An ankle
it's not quite an anklet though. It's higher.
Yeah.
I like it.
For me. Thank you.
It was made for you?
Yeah. In Sedona.
Oh. It's very hippie. What happened in Sedona?
No. No.
Hablo inglés.
No English?
No.
No? Espanol?
Y español.
No hablo español bien. But,
¿De dónde eres?
Hello? Hey, you look amazing. Just wanted to say hello. Yeah, how's someone's getting married?
Someone's getting married.
Oh, nice.
I think you're really attractive.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I know you're waiting for a Scott. I just want to figure just come by and let you know. Yeah. Are you meeting for a coffee date?
No, it's a photo shoot.
Oh shoot, that's cool. What are you doing a photo shoot for?
It's just like a collab.
Oh, do you mind sit down and just chat a little bit? Yeah. A collab, or is it like for gym apparel or?
It's like it's lingerie actually.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
But yeah.
I mean, everyone's got to have a set of lingerie, right?
My world has opened up. I'm meeting people, I have interesting conversations, not with just women I'm attracted to, but people I meet on the plane or whatever situation. I just talk to
You
people.
feel like you're
and
more outgoing,
social. Yeah, I feel
more
like I'm
social?
definitely more social. I become.
You feel like you've met more people this year than before?
Yeah, no doubt. I've
You're
become.
more open to encounters?
Yeah, I've become a social animal.
Everyone is a social animal.
Yeah.
You're already a social animal.
Yeah.
How much time do you spend there?
I probably go like 1 week a month.
Wow.
Just depends. Yeah, I host like health retreats out there. So,
What?
yeah.
I'm fascinated
Really cool.
because I'm also thinking of like moving more towards coaching people. I had a corporate career, but what I really liked was mentoring my staff.
Oh, that's wonderful. Yeah, I do something called quantum health coaching, where I blend shamanic practices with regenerative medicine for complete soul and nervous system alignment.
You're tripping me out.
Thank you.
It's weird.
Yeah.
Like, I looked at you just for a second and you looked at me and I was like, I want to talk to her. plus, I think you're cute, so that's part of it.
Someone's getting married.
Oh, nice. Oh, nice. I'm surprised you're not the one getting married.
Sorry?
Maybe you'll be next, I don't know. Yeah. How do you know the bride and the groom? Or?
Like the whip, man. Yeah, I have a challenger. I was thinking about going Team Camaro.
Oh,
cool.
No, we coming in from New York. Back home, I got FRS.
Oh, not really?
Yeah, no,
Dude, I'm not even capping. That was my last car.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I had the limited edition one, the yellow one.
Oh, dope. Yeah. That's cool, man. That shit sounded nice.
Are you guys New Yorkers?
Yeah, from Brooklyn.
Yeah, there you go. I hear it.
¿No inglés? ¿De dónde eres?
Yo soy de Chile.
¿De Chile?
Sí.
Oh, wow.
He's probably gonna be here any second. Do you want to exchange Instagram?
Oh yeah, Instagram is cool. Can I also get your number too, and maybe get some coffee?
Sure.
Switch too. Can I get your number?
You know what? I will give you my number.
Let's do it. Wait.
Let's see. How would I do it?
We're the best.
I just thought you were really pretty and I wanted to say hi.
Thank you.
All right, I'll let you guys enjoy your day. All right, take it easy. Have a great day.
We went to school with the bride.
Oh, nice. That's awesome. Where did you go to school?
In DC.
Okay, nice. I went to Virginia Tech.
Oh, okay.
So,
Cool.
nice.
Yeah.
You go to Georgetown or?
We went to Georgetown, yeah.
Okay, go Hoyas.
Yeah, go
Go
Hoyas.
Hoyas. Yeah.
Emoji and everything.
Yeah, there you go. I just shared your name so that way I'll see it and get it and remember.
How do you?
Everybody else.
Would you want to get dinner sometime? I can learn Spanish in the meantime, maybe next week.
We about to get this thing going. Cowboy, Mr. Cowboy, sir. We want you to see. You looking like Hulk Hogan dad.
Yes.
But yeah, I hope the ceremony is good.
We're missing
Yeah.
Julian, right? Julian,
Yeah, Julian and
Katie. Katie.
Yes. I can call Julian.
Talk to you soon.
Huh? Yes.
Okay? Yep. Okay? Thank you. Enjoy your night.
We miss it.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, it just faded over. I don't know.
This moment is why I make those videos. I fucking love that. When people are just like the way you came back with a big smile and stuff, I was like, yes, yeah, that's what it's about. That was cool. I saw you hesitate. I was like, oh, is he gonna go for it? Is he not gonna go for it? Then you went for it. I was like, no way. Like,
You know, you gotta.
pools of steel over here.
Yeah.
And then you didn't like. I mean, yeah, you made conversation, but you didn't like.
Of
keep
course.
on her, like.
Yeah, he's holding the door for her. He's looking at her like she's a snack. I know they're together.
Get you, boom, lingerie model on the first try.
She's cool.
I mean, that one was awesome. That like made my day.
Life is good.
You know what I mean? Like,
Okay, Curtis.
Sorry.
Yeah, don't smoke.
When I seen enough ugly dudes with beautiful women, I was like, why can't that be me?
I mean, this is something I've always wanted to do, but never did.
Damn.
But if I could do it, you could do it.
Boom. Biking in the sunset.
So yeah.
okay, peace, bro.
Peace, yeah.
Well, I hope you guys are not too cold wherever you are. My trip to LA is not over. I had an amazing time. And you know, I'm trying to go all over the world, film as many people as possible. So wherever you are, if you want to hang out with me for a day, talk to people, shoot me an email at ruben@socialanimal.us and we'll make it happen. See you next time.
Magic of the people.